This video explains how to create a Bluetooth low energy profile and check the communication with a smartphone, using target board RX23W. In advance, please install an application GATT browser, for iOS or Android on the smartphone to be used for communication. Firstly, open a project with the required driver modules installed. Please refer to Chapter 4 of RX23W Group, BLE module, Firmware Integration Technology for information on how to set up the project. Open Renesas Views, Renesas QE, RBLE Custom Profile View. Select your project from the combo box in the view. GAP services and GATT services have been added to the profile from the beginning. Select Profile, and from here, it is possible to add the new services. After the selection, fill in the abbreviation. Add a new characteristic to define the data having the service. Through this characteristic, data is communicated with a device such as a smartphone. Here, we create a characteristic having read and write properties with a 16-bit value. Add a new field and set initial values. The setting of custom profile is complete. Then, set up the advertising data. Check peripheral, advertising data, local name, and fill in the name of the device. Click the Generate Code button to generate the source code for the custom profile. Make sure that the source files are output to the project. Copy the app main function declaration in QEgen, BLE, appmain.c. Add the function call to the main file under the source folder. Open appmain.c again, and prepare variables to store the data received through the communication. Write the code between the lines marked Start User Code and End User Code in the comments. Added codes written between these lines will not be deleted if codes are regenerated. Add the code to the NSSCB function that calls back the added service. Add the code to assign the received data to a variable for the write completion event. Coding is complete. Build. Finally, set a breakpoint in the added code and verify that the data can be received. Start debugging the program and launch the application is GATT browser. After launching the application, it automatically scans the device name set in the advertising data. Tap the light blue icon to connect to the device. Once connected, the services and characteristics are displayed in the profile. The characteristic that you added is shown at the bottom. Tap this to display the screen for operating the characteristic. Read can be tapped to confirm the reading of the default values set in the profile. Since BLE byte order is little-endian, 16-bit values are shown here in order of lower byte to higher byte. Next, check the writing. Register the variable in the expression view. Tap the area below the write button and fill in the value to be sent. Then, tap write. The write completion event is notified, then verify that the received data is assigned to the value.